The Kodiak bear, nature's giant, and the largest brown bear on Earth. These bears live only in Alaska's Kodiak archipelago, a wild land of misty forests and rugged mountains. For thousands of years, Kodiak bears have thrived here, shaped by their remote island home. Kodiak Island is often shrouded in rain and fog, its dramatic landscape a perfect haven. This isolation has allowed them to develop unique traits and maintain a healthy population. The rivers teem with salmon in summer, the hillsides burst with berries, and the forests offer shelter through harsh winters. Their impressive size is a direct result of this rich, undisturbed environment. Kodiak bears are more than just animals. They're a force of nature, shaping the land and the lives of other creatures. To understand the Kodiak bear is to understand its deep connection to this wild place. Their story is one of survival, adaptation, and the enduring power of nature. Witnessing a Kodiak bear is to see nature's grandeur in its purest form. Their presence is a testament to the richness of the Alaskan wilderness. These bears are icons, symbols of the untamed North. Their island home is as much a part of their identity as their size and strength. The Kodiak archipelago is their legacy, with the Kodiak bear at its heart. As we explore their world, we uncover the secrets of one of Earth's most remarkable creatures. Kodiak bears are true giants. Adult males can weigh over 1,500 pounds and stand more than 10 feet tall on their hind legs. Even the females are massive. Their thick, shaggy fur ranges from pale blonde to deep brown, and a muscular shoulder hump powers their digging. Their long, sharp claws are essential tools for fishing and foraging. With broad heads, small eyes, and rounded ears, they cut an imposing figure. Despite their size, Kodiak bears move with surprising speed and agility. They're solitary by nature, each roaming a large home range. Only mothers with cubs or bears gathering at salmon streams break this solitude. Their senses are finely tuned, a sense of smell far keener than a bloodhound's, sharp hearing, and eyesight similar to humans. These abilities help them find food, avoid danger, and navigate the dense wilderness. Kodiak bears are masters of their environment, perfectly adapted to island life. Their intelligence and adaptability ensure their survival. They are not just the largest brown bears, they are among the most remarkable. Kodiak bears are omnivores, eating both plants and animals, and their diet shifts with the seasons. In spring, they graze on fresh grasses and dig for roots to regain strength after winter. As summer arrives, the real feast begins. Salmon flood the rivers, and bears gather to fish with remarkable skill. Each bear may have a favorite fishing spot or technique, from pinning fish in shallow water to diving into deeper pools. Salmon provide the fat and protein needed to build reserves for winter. Late summer and autumn bring a bounty of berries, blueberries, salmonberries, elderberries, fueling the bears for the cold months ahead. They also dig for roots and tubers, graze on sedges, and eat other plants for vitamins and fiber. Kodiak bears are opportunists, scavenging carrion and occasionally hunting deer or goats, though they prefer easier meals. Their flexible diet allows them to thrive in a changing environment, making use of every available resource. By feeding on salmon and berries, they help distribute nutrients and seeds throughout the ecosystem. Their eating habits keep the islands healthy and balanced. The Kodiak bear's diet is a lesson in adaptation and resourcefulness. They are not picky eaters. They are survivors, making the most of what their wild home provides. Every meal is a step in the cycle of life on the archipelago. Their role as both predator and scavenger is vital to the health of their world. Kodiak bears are true opportunists, thriving on abundance and adapting to scarcity. Their diet is a perfect reflection of the richness and challenges of island life. The solitary Kodiak bear's life changes during mating season, when males roam far to find females. After brief courtships, the real miracle happens in winter dens. Females give birth to tiny, vulnerable cubs, usually 1 to 3 per litter. Cubs are born blind and nearly hairless, relying completely on their mother's warmth and rich milk. The mother is fiercely protective, teaching her cubs to find food, fish for salmon, and avoid danger. For 2 to 3 years, cubs learn by watching and mimicking her every move. Playful and curious, they wrestle and explore, building strength and skills for survival. The wilderness is full of challenges, and not all cubs survive, but a mother's guidance is their best chance. Eventually, the young bears leave to forge their own paths, carrying the lessons of their upbringing. The bond between mother and cub is the heart of Kodiak bear family life. Every generation depends on the wisdom and protection of the one before. The cycle of birth, learning, and independence is central to the Kodiak bear's story. These family ties ensure the survival of the species in a demanding world. The Kodiak bear's legacy is passed down, one cub at a time. In the wilds of Alaska, family is everything. The future of the Kodiak bear begins in the den, with a mother's care. Spring brings Kodiak bears out of their dens, lean and hungry, searching for the first green shoots and any winter carrion. Summer is a time of abundance. Salmon fill the rivers, berries ripen, and the bears eat almost constantly to build fat reserves. Long daylight hours mean more time to forage and prepare for the lean months ahead. As autumn arrives, bears enter hyperphagia, eating non-stop to accumulate the fat that will sustain them through winter. They seek out late salmon runs, gorge on berries, and begin searching for den sites on steep slopes or under tree roots. Winter brings deep sleep, not true hibernation but torpor. Heart rate and breathing slow, and body temperature drops. They don't eat, drink, or defecate, living off the fat built up during the year. Pregnant females give birth in the den, starting the cycle anew. This seasonal rhythm is a remarkable adaptation to the harsh Alaskan climate. Every season brings new challenges and opportunities, shaping the lives of Kodiak bears. Their ability to adapt is key to their survival. The Kodiak bear's year is a story of feast and famine, rest and renewal. Their lives are inextricably linked to the changing seasons of their island home. Each phase prepares them for the next, ensuring the survival of the species. The Kodiak bear's resilience is a testament to nature's ingenuity. In the wild north, only the adaptable endure. The cycle continues year after year. Kodiak bears are keystone species, shaping their ecosystem in powerful ways. When they drag salmon into the forest, they enrich the soil with marine nutrients, helping plants and trees thrive. By eating berries and dispersing seeds in their droppings, they help new plants grow across the islands. Their presence keeps the ecosystem balanced, benefiting countless other species. For the indigenous Alutiiq people, Kodiak bears are symbols of strength and wisdom, woven into stories, art, and tradition. This deep respect reflects a long history of coexistence and understanding. Today, Kodiak bears draw visitors from around the world, supporting local economies through wildlife tourism. Scientists study them to learn about bear biology, behavior, and conservation. As icons of the wild, they inspire awe and remind us of the importance of protecting nature. The Kodiak bear's survival is a measure of our commitment to preserving wild places. Their continued presence benefits both the land and the people who share it. Protecting Kodiak bears means protecting the heart of Alaska's wilderness. Despite their strength, Kodiak bears face modern threats: habitat loss, climate change, and human conflict. Protected lands like the Kodiak National Wildlife Refuge are vital, but pressures from development and warming temperatures remain. Climate change threatens salmon runs and alters the timing of plant growth, impacting the bear's food supply. Responsible tourism and strict bear safety practices are essential to prevent dangerous encounters. Conservation organizations work tirelessly to monitor populations and protect habitats. Supporting these efforts, following guidelines, and advocating for sustainable policies all make a difference. Education and awareness are key to coexistence. The future of the Kodiak bear depends on our collective action. By respecting their world and reducing our impact, we help ensure their survival. The Kodiak bear's fate is in our hands. With care and commitment, these giants can continue to roam their wild islands for generations to come.